Whee! Who are you going to help today, and how are they going to feel about the help you give them? If you've got no immediate ideas for help, ways to help your clients, watch on to the end of the video and I'll give you a really simple, really fast one. So I'm talking about your clients, the people you already work with. Are you just filling out contractual obligations, or are you going the extra mile, which is a horrible, hackneyed, overused phrase. But keep it simple. We're all busy. Just think of one client that you can surprise with a bit of extra help, a little bit of thoughtfulness, a little bit of, do you know what, I think we could do a little bit better on this, because ultimately that's what retains clients. You've got to do your job well, obviously, but most businesses unfortunately do just enough to keep their clients. If you want to build loyalty with your client base, punch and punch and punch. I don't know what you're supposed to punch. I'm going to say punch above your own weight. No, that's just nonsense. I don't think I need to ramble anymore, do I? So right, that one thing you can do to help your customers. Go to Google, other search engines are available, or AI, whatever you want, and just say, I have a client in the UK who works in this sector. What's a hot topic for them at the moment? When the result comes back, in fact, GPT or other LLMs will be better at this, just say, how could I be really helpful to them today? It could be that there's a news article that reflects something that you've talked about with your client recently. Then just send it to them with this line, and this is not my original idea, with the line that says, just saw this and thought of you, thought this might be interesting. It takes seconds, especially if you've got clients you know really well. It's not a big job. So there you go. That's my thought for the day today. If you want your own list of thoughts for the day, just send me a message. I would love to create you a list of video prompts related to your clients, your industry, and your loves. Yeah, let's chuck love in at the end. There you go. Whee!